Good morning everyone. Hi guys. Good morning again. Another blessed morning this morning guys. Today is Thursday, August 20th today. Yes guys, time check here guys is 6:40 in the morning. 6:40 in the morning, getting ready to go to work. So anyway guys, today I have a dentist appointment. This afternoon after work at 4 o'clock. I get up at 3:15, so I'm going to go to see my dentist today. 6 months, every 6 months guys, we have dentist appointment, me and my husband. Today I'm just gonna have cleaning on my teeth. See, they're just gonna clean my teeth today. See, so anyway guys, yeah, today is my just routine cleaning every 6 months, and then after this, after 6 months again, they're gonna do x-ray and everything, check, everything on my teeth. The dentist will be the one checking on it. They're gonna take x-ray every year, once a year. But today only the dental technician will do my teeth cleaning. 6 months cleaning today, this afternoon. So that's what it is guys. Yeah, that's here in United States. If you have dental insurance, you might as well use it guys, because you're paying every month on that dental insurance. It's a military insurance guys, military dental insurance, so it's a little bit cheaper, than if you buy somewhere else. So yeah, my husband dental insurance for both of us is cheaper. Yep. When I was working at the nursing home guys, I tried to get a dental insurance just for myself. It's almost double the price for me and my husband, so we switched to the military dental insurance because it's a whole lot cheaper. We don't pay anything guys unless it's surgery or whatever, constructive, you have to pay money for that, because some of the thing for your dentist, the insurance is not gonna cover the whole thing. You have to pay copay. Yeah. So but cleaning and annual exam, we don't have to pay anything. Yeah. So luckily guys, I don't have no cavities. See? No cavities. Yep. I have no problem. Yep, I'm one lucky old lady that don't have no cavities. But my husband guys has got problem with his teeth. Yes, my husband has got problem with his teeth. Couple years ago, he put veneer on his teeth, guys. Yeah, he put veneer. Yeah, all of his teeth has veneer, and then we pay on our own pocket money with our dental insurance. He paid $2,500 more on that veneer that they put on his teeth. $2,500 guys. Yes, with the insurance. Okay, we have insurance already, dental insurance, but my husband needed to put veneer on his teeth because his teeth are getting thinner. So the dentist recommended that my husband needed veneer to protect his teeth. So he had that procedure done. $2,500 to pay on our own pocket. It's not cheaper guys for dental, even for vision, for glasses guys. If you don't have no insurance, it's expensive. Even if you have insurance guys, it's still expensive. Even we have insurance on our eye vision guys, we still have to pay money on our own pocket. Yes, like I said, my husband didn't dental procedure couple years ago. They put veneer on his teeth. $2,500 on our own pocket guys. Yeah, that one is already with the insurance, dental insurance. So luckily me, I saved the money. My husband is the one spending money. I don't have no cavities. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Even the dentist guys, the last time I was there, when he checked my teeth, for my annual checkup, you know what he said? He asked me, "Mom, did you ever wear braces before?" And I said, "No, I never wear braces before. I never did." Because he said my teeth are good. See? He said my teeth are straight, you know. And I said, no, sir. No, no, doc. I said, no, doc. I never wore braces before because he thought I wore braces, guys. Yeah. So I'm just a lucky old lady. I have good teeth. Anyway, I'm gonna go, guys. See you later. Time for me to drive to go to work. I love you guys. Have a blessed day, everyone. Happy Thursday today. Bye-bye. Bye. That's just my story for you this morning. Bye.